All right, man, we found this cool thing on Google. Man, what do I find all these crazy places? Google Earth is the place. This is called Stonehenge, replica of Stonehenge in Europe. Check this out. Someone came out here a while back, put this thing up on Google Earth, and it went viral. The lady told me that she was wondering, how'd you find this? I said, it's on Google Earth. It's the coolest thing. Here's where they put the flag. So check this out. Stonehenge. And it has all, that's everything here. That's funny. Oh, here you go. Brazil. That's the whole world out here. There's the US of A, Mexico, Canada. It's pretty cool. Greenland. Little Stonehenge thing here. Okay, so this guy's got all this land. He's got a zoo, he's got a museum, he's got a couple trains. He has animals, he's got a camel over there, he's got a cow, he's got a zebra. Got him. He just looks at me. Funny. Llama. Come on. I could use a llama. Man, I'm at the zoo. Check out the camel, man. That thing is massive. I had no idea they're so big. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Look at the size of that camel. That guy's huge. So this is Teddy Roosevelt's old train. Look in there. Can you see? Can't really see much. Oh wow. This is cool. Buffalo Bill sleeping quarters. Teddy Roosevelt sleeping quarters.